Looks like we have some leaked images of Carl Pei's Nothing Ear 1, the truly wireless earphones of his latest found venture. Even though they're set to come out on 27th of July officially, the company has decided to auction off first 100 pairs even before the launch. They had used a platform called DropX to get people talking about it, and it has certainly worked. One of the top bids on the platform happened to be around £572, which is like over the price of two AirPod Pros. But anyways, we kind of get a sneak peek of the transparent case here. It seems to be transparent on the top and bottom with a USB-C port on the side and some rubberized grips. Where every other truly wireless earphone case opens vertically, this thing seems to be opening up horizontally. I mean, this is the same marketing tactic that OnePlus used in its early days to hype up the product even before its launch to get people talking about it. We know that this earphone will be enabled with ANC, that's active noise cancellation, but we don't know anything else. But the excitement it has created on social media was good enough for someone to just go ahead and drop $1,000 on it. Clearly, it's more than just a purchase, it's about a statement of being an early adopter of a cool new thing. That's exactly why people stand in line to buy an iPhone even though they can buy the same thing after a month. I mean, it's fascinating to see that a company as small as this has been able to create a same uproar as a bigger brand would be able to, like Samsung or Apple. This is how you use people's anticipation in your favor. I mean, sure, I think it's cool too, but I don't think you should pay anything more than what they're asking, that's $99 US. We'll wait till July 27th to find out more. What do you think of this transparent case design? Do you think it's cool? Nothing has released a lot of videos on their channel describing how difficult it was to make a transparent thing. Making the outer panels transparent may not be the biggest challenge, but they also have to make it look good on the inside. So far from these poor quality leaks, I think they have done a pretty good job. Anyway, stay tuned for more short informative videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.